Hey guys, looks like out of nowhere Google decided to join the mid-budget game of smartphone market. Well, in this video we are going to talk about Google's upcoming two new phones, which are Google Pixel 3a and 3a XL. Well, these phones are said to be mid-budget phones by Google, and the price will be somewhere around $450. And well, it is said to be the price of Google Pixel 3a, but we still don't know what will be the price of Google Pixel 3a XL. Well, let's go through all the specifications of both of the phones and let's just get right into it. First of all, Google Pixel 3a. Well, it is said to be having a Snapdragon 670 processor. Well, it is actually a mid-budget processor. All the mid-budget phones use this processor, but for the price of the phone, well, $450 or 450 euros, I actually don't remember. Well, it I think is actually a little bit overpriced. No, not a little bit, it's actually a lot overpriced, because for $450 you can actually get a flagship by OnePlus or Xiaomi or any other device like that. So I think it is a little bit overpriced. Now, coming on to the RAM and ROM, the phone is said to be having a 4 GB of RAM and a 64 gigs of storage. Well, it is actually normal, I would say, because the Google Pixel 3, the original Google Pixel 3 had a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of storage. Well, on the other hand, Google Pixel 3a XL is said to be having a Snapdragon 710 processor, which is also a mid-budget processor. But despite the fact that Google Pixel 3a is going to have a price tag of 450 euros, I think the Pixel 3a XL will be having a price tag of 550 or 600 euros. So I think it's also a little bit overpriced, but you cannot actually argue with what Google offers with their software section. Like, look at the camera and all the stuff. So I think the camera of both of the phones will be just great, because, well, right now there's no information about the cameras, but there's also rumors of the both of the devices are going to have a purple color. So that's why I'm wearing a purple for this video. Well, a little bit weird stuff. So both of the devices are going to have a purple color option, so that's great. Okay, now on the specification side, the Pixel 3a XL is said to be having a 6 gigs of RAM and a 64 gig of storage. Now, both of the devices are not said or announced yet, so we may have to wait for that. So let's just hope the price drops a little bit, because right now, the set price, the rumor price is actually a little bit overpriced, I would say. So let's hope that the price drops when the actual phone releases. And well, that's what I had to say for this video. So this was it for today, and I'll catch up in the next video.